Hey there! Today we're unboxing, checking out, and taste testing this Sunkist variety pack drink mix. Let's pour it all out and take a look. These are all your favorite Sunkist flavors, but with zero sugar. You've got strawberry, grape, orange, and peach. This box is a variety pack and comes with 40 sticks. Here are the sticks up close. We have grape, strawberry, orange, and peach. They're super portable and so convenient to use. All right, time for a taste test. We're gonna be choosing grape. All you have to do to make your drink is pour your water into your container, tear open a stick, pour it in, and give it a good stir, 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 stir. All right, now that everything is well blended and well dissolved, it's time for a taste test. It looks so refreshing, so let's try it. Wow, this is so fruity. That grape flavor really comes through. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.